Ground project, gravity assisted pulse motor 2-stage oscillator configuration. We've added a flyback diode to the solenoid to prevent the back spike or the back EMF that's created when the solenoid turns off. We've installed the delay capacitors so that when the cam switch triggers, there's a small delay allowing the magnet to move slightly past center and then energize the coil. This is not large enough. The capacitance value has to be doubled. The project last year that involved the large 6-foot pendulum with 20-pound weights had 132,000 microfarad capacitor bank, and this is approximately 33,000, or approximately half of that. So, yeah, this is approximately half the size of the capacitor bank that we need. So we'll be increasing the capacitance there, and right now I can show you a basic. We've got 20 pounds on the bob, and if we get it going. So it wants to start working, and then the swing or the duty cycle period, the period of the pendulum decreases, and then it goes through a cycle where it'll start to increase again, and then decrease, increase, decrease. So this is on an increase. And you can see it starts to work again, and then it starts to decrease again. So that's where we're at this point. Man, if I could get it to do the full swing with 30 pounds on there, we'd be in good shape. Another problem is the mechanical advantage of the magnet arm is less than equal length of the pendulum, so it's not as it's not making full advantage of, it's not taking full advantage of the mechanical advantage, basically because there's just not enough room to increase the length. Well, possibly. We'll have to see what we can do about that. So that's what's going on at this point. You can see that it's not, yeah, and then eventually it comes to a stop. Okay, so we'll turn it off, and the cam is, well, I guess it could be improved a little bit, but those are the big issues at this point. We'll be making improvements, and we'll be posting results when available. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. Any suggestions, I'd be happy to hear them. Thanks.